Hey everybody, it's Brian. Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be another series in things that I've been doing to my motorcycles to bring the most comfort to touring. If you like that kind of content, now would be a good time to consider subscribing. So I have been getting a lot of emails and IMs on Instagram as well as messages on YouTube asking me about my Mustang Super Deluxe touring seat. I've been really surprised by the feedback I got from this seat. And quite frankly, I've been really surprised at the performance of the seat. Now, there are some negatives and some positives like anything. But like I said, I wanted to get into it. I've now had this on two bikes. I've had it on my 2014 Ultra Limited, and then I moved it over to the Road Glide Limited. I wanted to buy this seat because I really wanted to, as I build out this bike, as well as the previous bike, I really wanted to add the highest quality products I could. I'm a firm believer of buying it once and not buying it twice. You buy it twice, it just theoretically becomes more expensive. It does actually become more expensive. Full disclosure, I have purchased this seat with my own money. So anything I say is not sponsored. It is fully my opinion. So I just wanted to give you that because I do other product reviews on this channel. This is the Mustang Super Deluxe touring seat. I bought this on the recommendation of Bronco Ride, Bodine 52. If you don't know those guys, please go check out their channels. This seat has been a game changer for touring. We've had the Harley hammock. I've had the stock seat that came with the bike. Neither one of them really fit our needs. Both myself and my wife were really looking for something that would give us more comfort. This is a touring seat, so it's going to be wider. It has amazing back support. And what I like even better is this rider backrest is extremely ergonomic, so it fits in the square of your back. So instead of being like the Harley one where it pushes flat, this actually has some curve to it, which if you think like an ergonomic office chair, it really supports your back, which allows you just to go that much further in a day. Now to take things even further, I've added the Mustang Super Deluxe passenger backrest because I wanted to keep the look consistent. My wife really likes the backrest because there's a couple major points to that. It has grommets which isolate the screws to the tour packs. There's a little bit less vibration when you're riding. It also has a slightly more reclined angle, so it allows my wife to have just a little bit more space and be a little bit more relaxed. And then it has the arms which are longer. Again, it's all about having your passenger comfort. So like I said, this is going to be a really quick video, but I've really found that this seat has been a game changer for us and allows us to ride a lot longer. And like I said, with a touring bike like this, you do get a large return on investing in a premium product like Mustang. Like I said, paid my own money for this. I couldn't be happier with it. It's held up really well. The only complaint that I've heard from people is that the price. I mean, you're looking at probably right around $1,000, maybe a little less on Amazon with the backrest. But I can tell you, Harley, you're going to be looking at close to the same, maybe $100 less for the hammock, and this is 1,000 times better of a seat. As you can see, it's held up well, the stitching, and like I said, I just want to give you a follow-up. Everybody's been asking about it, but a year later, two bikes, I could not be happier with this seat. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing. This is going to be just another part of my Road Glide project as I go and upgrade it with what I hope to be to make it an excellent touring bike, but also to add high quality products that are going to give it a lot more value. So guys, that's really all I had today. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember you're not alone. Thanks guys.